Hello, my name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. In my today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can audit your systems through the compliance reports and benchmarks within Endpoint Central. Have fun. We are here now in the threats and patches module, and as we want to do a compliance check, we just move to compliance, build the policy groups. There we select the built-in templates. Right, now let's just take some of the one of these profiles, CIS benchmarks. Let's get this one. And now what next we need is to map and audit targets, create audit. So now we would need a group of computers. For such, we create a new group right now. It's a static group and I'll call it the audit group. Yeah. Now, let's just select all the systems available, and put them in there. Create group. Group has been created. Now, let's close this tab. We just refresh again and audit group is available. Now, we go and select the profile we want to run, and frequency, once, specific days, weekly, monthly, we can select that. Now I'll select today and 3 hours from now, so let's have it 1300 and it should be working. All right, now let's create the audit. We do have the audit here, the audit group. We can modify, delete, suspend. We can click on it. Now we have nothing right now in there. Scan hasn't been performed right now. It's scheduled. I want to scan it right away, so I'll click on scan now. Yes, initiate, and has been initiated for the target group. So now all we can do is waiting to the scans to finish, and I'll pause the video until these scans have been successfully completed. Now, as you see, something changed within the audit group. Now we have some systems here. Let's go on one system and check what the benchmarks would show. We see an overall compliance. Yeah, that's poor. We can sort for the failures only, the errors only. Look what's good, the past ones. Yeah, or let's have a look on the failures. So what's in here too? We see that there is the failures, and not only the informations. We even have a summarization, a rationale, and the how to fix. Everything, of course, can be exported via PDF or Excel, and we can, accordingly, what your export settings are, you have the choice for masking or removing of personal information or retain them. Yeah, of course, we will retain them because we need the computer name. All right. So that's about the audit and compliance, what we can do within Endpoint Central's threat and patch management. And now last thing we have within the compliance is system quarantine policy. So here we can create actually a quarantine. We choose a group name, again, a group of computers, and there we have the condition to choose: OS, patch, services, software, vulnerabilities, registry, value, and more. So I'll choose vulnerability. So there we do have again something to choose, CVSS value or exploit value. Let's choose the first one and let's choose a above 8. Now audit only with a notification and an alert or a quarantine. Let's quarantine that systems, block all network access. You want to choose something else? You can. Only intranet in range, only custom IP VPN domains, or block custom IP and domains. So here even an alert, a grace period you can provide, and a notification to be sent. So that's all about Endpoint Central's threat management and the compliance part. Policy groups showing the built-in templates for Windows and Linux. We built the policy group. We mapped that on specific systems. We have an overall overview of the compliance status. And if you wish to, we can have an overview in details of every benchmark through the computer's view, go more in detail, and here again all the features and even past ones accordingly what we filter. System quarantine policy allows us to quarantine systems through different values, criteria. Depending on what we choose, we have the ability to do more selections. Thank you for watching and see you soon.